work you did. Yeah, I know, and I wanna talk about it, and I know you don't.
Hey y'all, it's your girl kylashaiibooking, whatever you want to say, and I is back with another video. If you're a new video, I said new video. If you're a new viewer, what's good, what's popping. If you're a 10 subscriber, what's good, what's popping as well, bitch. Okay. So y'all, I am back with another hair video. I told y'all I'm trying to finesse these wigs. I want to get better at the wig installment. So like every wig I do is more practice for me. I feel like I did a pretty good job with this hair. This hair is from Supernova Hair Company. They reached out to me and asked me if I do a review, and I was like, yeah. A straight lace front wig, 18 inches. And sis, this wig is pretty. This wig was really easy to install. In the video, you guys will see how I installed it, and I'll tell you guys a little bit more information on the hair, and also all the information on the hair is in the description box down below, so you guys can go check that out. But the battery did die when I was doing my edges, so I mean you guys can kind of see what my edges turned out to be. But I did a pretty good job on my edges. Like I said, I'm still working on it, of course. So, but if you guys like have any tips on different things, you guys can comment down below. I'll take any advice. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I've installed this wig, please keep watching and make sure you subscribe to my channel, follow me on social media, and turn on your post notifications so you guys know when I post a new video. Okay y'all, so this is the box it comes in. Supernova Hair Company. Inside the box, of course, is the wig. It came with an extra lace band. I don't really ever use those. A pair of lashes, and then this cute dust bag that you can put anything in here. So the wig itself was 18 inches, it's 180% density, and it's human hair. And the wig cap size I believe I got was a medium. This is the hairline. It's really, bitch, it looks so good, but of course I had to cut it because I accidentally, usually when I get a small size, it's too small for my head, so I was like, let me get a medium, and it's better to go other sides so that you can cut it to fit your head instead of it being too small. But so here's the hairline, I'm just showing you guys. But in this tutorial you guys can just see what I'm doing. Not gonna talk that much. Also at the end you guys will see I accidentally left my my hot comb on the plastic bin. I didn't realize it was right there, so it melted and fucked up everything. But yeah, so the end of the video is kind of like short because I thought I filmed more but it didn't, and then my battery died, so yeah. So here's me just putting on the wig, but you see how the damn hairline's to my eyebrows, so yeah, I had to cut it. But if you guys have any questions, you can leave them down below, but I really hope you guys enjoy this wig. Also, this was one of my favorite wigs I've ever done a review on. Like, I'm not lying, I'm not just saying this just to say this, but this was super easy. Every day I wake up, don't really have to do much to it, and it was an easy install, and it looks the most natural, I want to say, to me. But yeah, so you guys can go check out this wig in the description box down below. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe on my video.
You wanna stay with me, nigga, you just offended me. Cuff your bitch, nigga, cuff your bitch.